let me wish my pilot friend very happy World's Pilots Day to you, man.
Thank you so much.
Chetan, just for our viewers' sake, all those who are live audience from my follower list, from your follower list, what is the history behind this World's Pilots Day? If you could just briefly give us some information.
Amit, as far as I know about World Pilots Day, it was initially celebrated by Turkish Airlines Pilot Association in context of the first flight of Turkish Airlines in Turkey.
Turkish Airline, okay.
Yes. Then later, I think in 2013, they offered this day to the National Federation of Airline Pilots to celebrate their pilot day. Then they accepted it, and since then, we are celebrating it as World Pilots Day every year.
Wonderful. So that's the story about it. Friends, the followers, all those viewers we are online who are seeing this chat live now. So there's some Turkish airline history behind World's Pilots Day. Wonderful. Chetan, I have known you through years now. A wonderful human being, a great friend, very soft spoken and extremely polished man. We remember our days in the BJP headquarters office. Friends, by the way we have known each other is through our respective work and portfolio at the BJP headquarters, New Delhi. During our political work, way back in 2014. A very polished, systematic looking man, sincere in approach, in his communication, in his style of communicating, and very receptive towards everybody. Chetan, in fact, we had access, we were positive enough, I would say fortunate enough, we've had access to few of the greatest minds in India, greatest people, greatest political circles. So what are your memories to go back in 2014, if I may ask?
Oh, definitely. I mean, it was such a wonderful working with political leader, and after that day, fun also.
Absolutely, they won. That was the beauty of it. The party we were campaigning for, where we were already stationed for at least 3 to 4 months, if I am not wrong. So we were very closely working with each other. Exactly. Chetan, interestingly, there are a lot of people who wish to be pilot, who are very fascinated about this field. They have great inclination towards aviation as a sector. In fact, let me share one small secret with you. Though we have known each other since years, during my childhood phase, I was very fascinated with this flying thing, and somewhere I used to dream about pilot, but eventually I had to ensure what are my interests, what are my own capabilities in my own eyes. So a lot of things were there, Chetan. So I realized over the period of time, nahi boss, ye apan nahi kar sakte. There's lots of efforts which are required. On a lighter note, I say this. So Chetan, for our viewers' sake, for our audience, if you may share your journey, how did it all begin? What fascinated you? What inspired you to get into this aviation industry?
Amit, young boys breed. These days, a lot of children have a lot of careers. But our generation, Amit, I think almost every kid has seen sky up in the sky, or kidnapper, or pilot. So you can call it a young boy dream, and I just worked over it. And
amazing. So you pursued it. You stuck to your dreams ki boss ye achieve karna hi hai. Something about your education, Chetan. Something about how you carved your way. How did you approach the training? Something on those lines, please.
Yes, Amit. My schooling from Delhi. Then I did graduation from Delhi University. After that, in 2008, I had gone to US pilot training.
Wow. Okay. So you were in US for how long? You were there?
It's actually. I mean, you have to apply for 250 hours. It's up to you. You can plan your training. I did my training in three parts. 2008, 2009, and 2010. I went to US for 3 times.
Okay. So it was periodical for you? या आपके लिए periodical रहा वहाँ पर?
I would say planned, but there was struggle in US. The first school I had gone for training, it got bankrupt. So I had to come back. Yeah. And then again apply for US visa for a new school. Flying club you can say. And in 2009 I again went back to US. So इसमें क्या होता है? Give few exams in India.
Okay.
Exam, Director General of Civil Aviation, to get the Indian CPL. So I had planned my training for. I did some part of training. 2009. Came back to India. Did all those exams. Then in 2010 went back to US again. Finished my last part of the training.
ओके दोस्तों, यहाँ गौर जरूर फरमाइएगा, जहां पर एक व्यक्ति, एक यंग बॉय आफ्टर हिज ग्रेजुएशन फेज वो यूएस के लिए अपना सामान पैक करता है. ही वांट्स टू फॉलो हिज ड्रीम, परस्यू हिज ड्रीम. वहां कहीं ना कहीं जो फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट वो अप्रोच करते हैं, वहां कोई दिक्कतें आती, समस्या आ जाती है. बट दिस मैन डिड नॉट लीव इट देयर. Probably he is my good friend. I've known him since years, so I'm not trying to get biased towards this gentleman. But what I'm trying to showcase to the audience per se, चेतन, आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इस फील्ड को लेके फैसिनेटेड होते हैं, उनमें एक उत्साह होता है, एक उमंग होती है कि बहुत हमें कुछ करना है. एंड पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो, पेरेंट्स की बात निकली है, फैमिली की बात निकली, डेफिनेटली आई विल कम टुवर्ड्स दैट पार्ट ऑल्सो. But what I am really keen to understand is कि जो first आपका जो problem आया, you said कि जो first institute आपने join करी, कुछ problems आई, कुछ समस्या, आप वापस आ गए, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपका दोष नहीं था. हो सकता था कि कोई उसको मिडवे छोड़ देता, या बॉस ये जम नहीं रहा है, वहाँ पर चीटिंग हो रही है. तो कई तरीके के माइंडसेट्स होते हैं. नाउ यू आर thousands of miles away from family, your own homeland. So a lot of things happened. So how did you really persuade? तो फिर आपने second जब आपने visit वहाँ करी, तो आपने कैसे रास्ता खोजा, आप किस तरह से आगे बढ़ते चले गए? If you could just share this with the audience.
Yeah, there was this man, Mr. R.K. Padi. वो काफी नाउन नेम है हमारी इंडस्ट्री में. इधर रिटायर्ड विंग कमांडर फ्रॉम एयरफोर्स. तो उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया था.
Okay.
Indian regulations की लिखते हैं.
Wow, that's amazing.
उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया न्यू फ्लाइंग क्लब इन यूएस. यहाँ से उनसे बात करके एडवांस भी कोई मनी नहीं देना. So I got more cautious.
दोस्तों, कहीं ना कहीं जो कैप्टन चेतन साहब, जैसे मैं इनको फॉन्डली कैप्टन साहब बोलता रहता हूँ, तो इन हिज ओन कैंडिडेट बेस्ट ही कम्स बैक एंड सेज कि यार ऐसा नहीं है, हम लोग वी कॉल ईच अदर बाय फर्स्ट नेम. दोस्तों, इसमें एक गौर जरूर फरमाइएगा. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको जब एक अच्छे गाइड मिलते हैं, एक अच्छे मेंटोर मिलते हैं, कोई एक अच्छे एडवाइस देने वाले व्यक्ति मिल जाते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी जर्नी थोड़ी सी स्मूथ होती नजर आती है. केतन,
बिल्कुल.
Right. So you got hold of the right people.
You need the light in the dark.
Correct. Right. So Chetan, how does this entire journey happen? जैसे आपने 250 hours की बात करी. दोस्तों, CPL कमर्शियल पायलट लाइसेंस ऑब्टेन करने के लिए इस व्यक्ति ने 2008, 9, 10 जो समय बिताया, पीरियडिकली वापस हिंदुस्तान भी आ पाए, और कहीं ना कहीं आपको कुछ अच्छी गाइडेंस मिली, पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट रहा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई वांट टू कम टू इज योर पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट पर से. प्रोबेबली शायद आपके फैमिली में से भी कुछ लोग अभी सुन रहे होंगे, तो कहीं ना कहीं उनकी एक जो भूमिका होती है, एक इंडियन कल्चर है, एक यहाँ का एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट होता है, उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताइए चेतन.
डेफिनेटली हमें सपोर्ट के बिना बहुत पॉसिबल एट ऑल. 2010 दिसंबर आई गॉट माय इंडियन लाइसेंस. अब तक मेरी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट हो गई.
ओके.
2017 January I had joined as the first officer. So all these 6 years, 10 years, reached where